नमस्कार मित्रांनो, तुमका सगळ्यांक जस्ट कॅज्युअल विथ सूरज नांद्रेकर या कार्यक्रमात सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज आमच्या बरोबर आहा एक नामनेचे पॉलिटिशियन बाब एल्विस गोम्स, जे आदले एक सिनियर ऑफिसर असले गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटान. आज आम्ही एल्विस बाबा बरोबर उलयतले की ॲक्च्युअली काँग्रेसीन चल्ला तरी कितें. काल काँग्रेसीन मिटींग जाली. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी पळयलो की एल्विस बाब मदींच उठोन गेले, ताका परत निंबलकर बायन आफोवन व्हेलो. मागीर तरी सुद्दां ते मिटिंगेक खूब बोवाळ जालो म्हणून आयकूं येता. आमी विचारया एल्विस बाबाक की ॲक्च्युली काँग्रेसीन चल्ला तरी कितें आनी 2027ची इलेक्शनाची तयारी कशी चल्ल्या. नमस्कार एल्विस बाब, वेलकम टू द शो. ॲक्च्युली आज आमी तुमकां आपयला. वी वॉन्टेड टू नो वॉट एक्झॅक्टली हॅपन एट द मिटींग. यू actually walked away and then you were called back at the meeting.
I have already given my clarification. तसले काय जाऊना. I walked out a little earlier because I had another function. And just across the venue of this GPCC meeting, that was in Minnie's Brothers and in Mando Festival, where so many of our own known people also have taken part. So I was scheduled to be there. It was already delayed. ताका हांव भायर सरलो. भायर थंय मिडिया खूब आशिल्ली. लिफ्ट येयसर ताणें म्हाका विचारपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. आय हॅव नॉट सेड एनीथिंग. आय सेड लेट मिटींग गेट ओवर, दे विल आन्सर. सो म्हाका अजाप दिसता की दीस इश्यू हॅज जस्ट गॉट ब्लोन आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन.
एल्विस बाब, अशें भायर म्हटलें वता वॉट वी हर्ड. सी, देर वॉज ओनली वन पार्टिशन within where the media was and the meeting was going on. So everything could be heard outside. What exactly happened was you were upset with the party because of the elections, that nobody has been communicating anything. All those things came up for the meeting.
म्हाका खबर ना. सी, द ऑर्गनायझर्स ऑफ द मिटींग आनी पर्टिक्युलरली द पार्टी लिडरशीप जी आसा ताणें मिडियाक अशी तेंकूनच दवरिल्ली. So as you say, media could have heard. I have no clue to what you have heard and what you have not heard. As far as what I have done inside, it is within the party domain for them to hear what I have said. If they like to hear, if they don't like to hear, well and good. पण थंय कितें जालें तें कितें आमच्यो ग्रिव्हन्सीस व्यक्त करपाक एक संदी मेळ्ळी बरेच तेंपान, म्हणल्यार खूब तेंपान, म्हाका दिसता 1.5 वर्सांनी मेळ्ळी. सो प्रत्येक लोक आपले उलयले. हांव म्हणटा जालां तें तुमी आयकलां म्हणटा तुमी, एंड इट आय कॅनॉट डिनाय दॅट. बट वॉट एक्झॅक्टली आय हॅव सेड इट विदीन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द पार्टीज मिटींग. आनी ताजेर आनी भायर हांव कितें सांगू. पण ताजेर हांव खरेंच रिक्वेस्ट करता की नथींग शूड बी एक्स्ट्रापोलेटेड. कांय ना हितून स्ट्रेच करपाचें अशें कांय ना. हांवें रातीच सांगलेलें आनी कांय तुमच्या मिडियांनी ते प्रतिक्रिया म्हजी व्यक्त केल्या की दॅट आय हॅड गॉन फॉर अ फंक्शन एंड इट इज द फॅक्ट ऑफ द मॅटर. ताजे पलीकडे आनी कांय ना हितून.
Elvis Bob, it was not just you. There were many leaders who actually expressed their grievances. Mr. Thackeray actually addressed many of them. But the thing, you are in Congress for last few years. Before that, you were in Aam Aadmi Party. How different do you think Congress and AAP functioning there?
See, the issue is more to do with what is the outcome of yesterday's meeting. I will not go into the nitty-gritties of what happened at the meeting, what has not happened at the meeting, procedure कितें आसलो, कितें नासलो. My only concern is, because see, Suraj, I am here in the larger interest of the people of Goa and the state of Goa. म्हाका बाकी कांय लागना, म्हाका खंयचे फॅक्शनाय लागना. I know what I speak. It is in the interest of the people of Goa. And if any action of mine serves the people of Goa and the interest of the state, जाल्यार I will be the happiest person. म्हाका हें काय लागना. भितर कितें जालें, कितें जावंक ना, ताचो फायनल तुमी मिडियान आउटकम विचारपाक जाय. You will do a great service to us as an organization and for the people of the state. If you
okay, tell us what was the outcome.
म्हणल्यार कितें फायनली हेजे कन्क्लुजन ऑफ द मॅटर कितें. म्हाका खबर ना, because I left the meeting earlier and it is for the party leadership that came from outside the state, who are in charges of this local unit. All of them have to finally come to a certain conclusion. ज्यो डिफरन्सीस आसात त्यो काल व्यक्त करपाक मेळ्ळ्या आनी लोकांनी व्यक्त केल्या. ताचे फुडें हांव कांयच सांगूंक शकना.
No, you didn't answer my question. How different is working in Aam Aadmi Party and Congress?
Aam Aadmi Party was a different structure in the sense I was at the helm of affairs.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I am not at the helm of affairs. Here I am nowhere. In the sense की तो विषय सगळ्यांक खबर आहा न्हू, दॅट people who are even in the PCC have not been getting invited for a meeting for a period as big as almost
18 months.
18 months.
Yeah.
सो हातूंतल्यान पार्टीक बेनिफीट जातलें, गोंयच्या लोकांक बेनिफीट जातलें, होच एक प्रश्न आमच्या मुखार उरता. एंड आय होप विथ यस्टरडेज मिटींग मेनी ऑफ दीस थिंग्स विल फॉल इन प्लेस. दॅट इज माय ओनली बिलीफ. कित्याक ना जाल्यार आनी कितें फायदो? ना जाल्यार कांयच फायदो ना न्ही.
So is the Congress really preparing for 2027, or is it just?
I will give it a fresh, hope after yesterday's meeting. Whether the party leadership takes cognizance of what the state of affairs is. तांकां जर हेंय समजना जाल्यार there is no hope. इतलें हांव सांगूंक शकता. These are small things, boss. These are very small things. These are mundane things. Day to day तुज्या ऑर्गनायझेशनान तूं सुद्दां हँडल करूंक शकतलो. असलें हें वातावरण गोवा इज टू स्मॉल. आणि हे जर आमी हँडल करूंक शकना जाल्यार देन देर विल नॉट बी एन ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. माय ओनली वरी इज दॅट इफ नॉट बीजेपी जाल्यार कोण?
No, my thing is, see, the opposition, entire opposition. I'm not talking about just Congress. See, in Congress, you are there. You are there. The former GCS officer, they are promoted to IAS. Then after that, there is Yuri Alema, who is a pilot. Then there is Captain Venzi Viegas. Then Captain Viriato. There are so many educated people. Why the opposition is not still coming together and fighting all?
How can I answer this question, Suraj? I am not even representing the party. I am not in the leadership. You know that very well.
No, but why this is not happening? Could you just tell
Maybe
me?
they have some, I don't know what is their agenda in keeping so many people out of the purview of decision making. ते फायनली डिसिजन कितें जाता ती सुद्दां आमकां कळपाक जाय न्हू, लोकांक कळपाक जाय. सी, इफ काँग्रेस डज नॉट हॅव a transparent setup, which Congress is the mother of democracy, at least in Goa,
Yeah.
in India, sorry.
Yeah.
Congress is the party that brought freedom to this land, and they adopted this democratic model way back in the 47 and 50s when the constitution came up. So we expect that Congress should be a democratic, transparent setup. आणि तातूंतल्यान लोकांचे कितें आहा ते पळय अडचण्यो त्यो सगळ्यो ओढून घेवन वी शूड ट्राय टू स्ट्रायक एट दॅट. हे आमी बेश्टे बसले आनी कितें हे सारकें जावंक ना, तें सारकें जावंक ना, हेच जर घेवन बसले, वी कॅन when next meeting can come after another 1.5 years, which will maybe beyond the elections.
Yeah.
This should not happen.
Now the thing is, say you are from Kunkoli. You have fought one election from Kunkoli. Now the thing is, Yuri is a leader of opposition. You are in. So last election you fought in Panjim. So are you going to make Panjim your home, or?
See, that party has to decide. See, last time party decided at the night, कितें म्हणटा तें last minute
Yeah.
to send me to Panjim. I don't know what the party stand as far as future elections.
No,
is
what is your future? What do you want?
my future? See, when I'm in an organization as big as the Congress, how can I talk about my future? It is the party's future. The party has to decide whether I fit into some group somewhere, and if I don't fit into that, the party has to take
But
a call.
Elvis, you are a former IAS promoted to IAS.
Where are
You
you?
gave
How-
up that, but
how can
and
I
you
म्हणटा? There are so
you
many
have to be clear when you
there are
left that
so-
kind of a service.
there
You
are-
have to be clear in your
I am
mind.
clear.
Yeah,
I am very clear
yeah,
of what I want to do
Yeah.
in future, but that is subject to certain things which may develop in the course of things that are
Yeah.
coming up now.
yeah.
Okay, I am clear.
Hmm.
My first thing is the party's house should be in order.
Hmm.
Party has to be a strong unit. काल जर आम्ही अजेंडा ऑर्गनायझेशन युनिटाचे खबरो करता, दॅट मीन्स वी डोंट हॅव दॅट ऑर्गनायझेशन, अँड इट इज अ फॅक्ट. आता ऑर्गनायझेशन अजून जर आम्ही स्ट्रेंथन प्रत्येक खेपेक ऑर्गनायझेशन स्ट्रेंथन करपाचे खबरो केले जाल्यार केन्ना जातले आनी केन्ना आमी लोकां कडेन पावतले. सी, दीज आर द वरीज. सी, लोकांक कळना तें. लोक म्हणटा ना हांव कितें उलयता, भायर उलयता, हें उलयता. आय एम नॉट स्पिकींग एनीथींग अगेन्स्ट द पार्टी. आय एम स्पिकींग ओनली इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टी, सो दॅट द पीपल ऑफ गोवा गेट द हेल्प through the party. What is a party? Party is just a platform.
There were
Take this platform
Elvis,
as
there
a
were
level.
talks that you were supposed to leave Congress and join some another party. What was
That is again speculation. But काल कितें जालां, that is also जप करून कितें तरी एक डेव्हलपमेंट जालो. I was just innocently moving out of the meeting. ताका लोकांनी वळण दिलें. म्हाका कांय फरक पडना रे, पूण हांव सोडून वयतलो ते कोण क्रिएट करता? हेच कोण तरी भितरले पळय आसता प्रतिस्पर्धी आमचे भितर, ते आसात न्हू खंयच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनात, तेच क्रिएट करता. अगेन आय एम सेईंग, म्हाका दुसरो कांय इंटरेस्ट ना. आय एम हियर इन द पॉलिटिकल फील्ड, बॅटल फील्ड ओनली फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा, फॉर द सीक ऑफ पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आज खंय आहा रे आमी? आमी येदे व्हडले गव्हर्नन्स पळय. आतां तुका सांगता हांव, हे आमचे गव्हर्नन्स खंय दिसता. गव्हर्मेंट येदो व्हडलो स्ट्रक्चर जाला, 61,000 एम्प्लॉईज जाल्या, कितलेशे 2,000 सुमार पंचायत जाल्या, कितले 200चे वयर हे जाल्या कावन्सिलर जाल्या, तितून भितर 40 आमदार आणि 3 MP. येदो व्हडलो स्ट्रक्चर, 200, 300, 250 कोटी तरी महिन्याक सॅलरी घालता तांकां. येदो व्हडलो स्ट्रक्चर घेवन फायनली ह्या गोंयच्या लोकांक कितें मेळटा, ह्या आयचे पिळगेक कितें मेळटा. आज जे एक्सक्लुडेड समाज जे आसा, who have still not got the benefit of this freedom, liberation, तांकां आमी तांचे कडेन कितें मेळटा तांकां. सो ह्या खातीर एक टायमार एक रेजिदोर म्हणून पळयतालो, एक गांवच्या कारभार रेजिदोरा कडेन आसतालें, सगळें सिस्टमॅटीक चलतालें म्हणटा आमचे पयलींचे लोक सांगता. जाल्यार आज कितें जालें जायना. इतलो व्हडलो स्ट्रक्चर आसून कित्याक न्याय मेळना लोकांक, हे जर प्रश्न एड्रेस जाले जाल्यार बरें जातलें. तितून एल्वीस गोम्स खंय आसतलो, खंयच्या पदाचेर आसतलो, कितें आसतलो, that is not at all important.
Elvis, I would say tomorrow is Manohar Parrikar's birth anniversary. He always regarded you as one of the very, very efficient officers. You would also recognize that. But talking about that, would you regret quitting?
No,
services?
not at all. This question has come to me several times. I don't regret quitting at that time.
No, after that you became IAS, but that
जाऊ
also.
रे, पण हांव कितें म्हणटा, मनोहर पर्रीकारान म्हजे कडेन जी जबाबदारी टायम टू टायम दिल्ली, आय हॅव डिस्चार्ज इट. दॅट इज वॉट ही परहॅप्स न्यू माय एबिलिटी टू डू दॅट वर्क, अँड दॅट इज वाय ही वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग मी विथ वर्क अँड मोर वर्क. लुजोफोनी ह्या गेम्साचें एक उदाहरण सांगता मरे तुका.
Yeah.
कितल्या म्हयन्या भितर सगळें उबें केलें, कितें आज ते सगळे फॅसिलिटी केल्ले त्यो ताजो विद्वास जाता आतां, तें सोड. पण हांव रिग्रेट्स म्हाका कांय ना. हांव आतांची जर्नी चलता, पयलीं चलतालो आनी आतां चलता. दॅट इज आमचो एक थोडो टायम आमी समाजाक दिवया ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यानच आमी आसा. नाल्यार कितें, फाल्यां आय कॅन टेक सन्यास एंड सीट एट होम, म्हाका कितें फरक पडटा. आय एम नॉट दॅट पर्सन हू हॅज नॉट सीन पावर. हे जे कोण पावर पळोवंक ना, कितें करूंक ना, तेच फक्त उडयो मारता हांगा. आय हॅव कम फ्रॉम टॉप, आय हॅव सीन द पावर, आय हॅव वर्क वीथ पीपल एट द हायस्ट लेवल. तुवें आतां मनोहर पर्रीकाराचें नांव घेतलें, ही रोज टू बिकम द डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया.
Yeah.
सो म्हाका तो व्हडलो, म्हाका डिफरन्सच लागना हितून. सो आमचें कितें आहा, लेट समथींग गूड हॅपन, whether it is in the Congress party or in the state of Goa. Wherever I am contributing, let something good happen. That's all.
You have been a state officer at the top level in Goa. Today, when you see or when you read about this cash for jobs scam, what does come to your mind?
See, it is something beyond redemption. कित्याक इतले ओपनली जे चलता, आनीक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जे खरें एका डायरेक्शनान बरे भशेन वचूंक जाय आशिल्लें तें वचना. दॅट इज वॉट इज अलार्मिंग. कितें, अरे इतले पयशे कोण एकठांय करता आनी मल्टिपल प्लेयर्स आर इनवॉल्ड एंड इतले ते शिजताले भितर. दॅट मीन्स युअर इंटेलिजन्स नेटवर्क वॉज सो पुअर दॅट यू डीड नॉट नो दॅट सो मेनी पीपल आर टेकिंग मनी फॉर जॉब्स अंडर द प्रिटेक्स्ट की आमी जॉब दितले म्हणून. तुमकां खबर ना, तुमकां सगळी खबर आसली.
Okay.
So what I'm saying, it doesn't end with those who are arrested, those ladies or whoever. It has to go beyond that. ते पैसे कोणाचे तरी ताब्यान पडल्या. आता ईडीन घेतल्या म्हणटा केस. I don't know whether they will investigate that particular aspect. कित्याक again this becomes
But
a
these
case of money
things were
laundering.
happening when you were in service.
No, I have never come across, at least in my department, अशें केन्ना जावंक ना. Maybe जातालें आसतलें, I don't know. पण म्हज्या हितून आमी जितले पळय रिक्रुटमेंट केल्या, खूब केल्या, अशें केन्ना जावंक ना आनी असो प्रसंग येवंक ना. आनी मेरिटाक जर सामकेंच आतां कांयच व्हॅल्यू दवरूंक ना जाल्यार आनी फुडार कितें जातलो बा. सी, आय एम टेलिंग, इट्स नॉट ओन्ली
But
गव्हर्मेंट.
Elvis, even during the Congress time, I don't think the recruitment was on merit. It was the quota system of ministers always was there.
मे बी तेंची दर कमीन जातले आसतले. आतां ते सामकेच चड लाखांचेर पावला. सी, PWD आतां हालीं पळय भरती जाल्या आनी जंय थंय म्हणटा की सगळ्यांचोच हात आसा म्हणून कोणूच ऑपोज करूंक सोदिना. दॅट हॅज गॉन एट एन एवरेज ऑफ 35 to 40 lakhs.
Yeah.
And I am not alleging this. One reputed newspaper had brought headlines without even putting a question mark. So why the government is not going into this? हांव तुका एक सांगू, हे जितले पळय रिक्रूट जाल्या न्हू, तांकां जर तेच पेपर तांणी बरयल्ले ते 80% मार्क्स पडिल्ले ते जर फाल्यां तेंच्या मुखार दवरीत आनी सगळे पुस्तकां सुद्दां दवरीत, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट 10 marks. I challenge you on this. I am telling the people of Goa, हे जितले पळय रिक्रूट जाल्या आनी जांचेर एक स्टेन पडलेलो आसा, की हे स्कॅम जाला म्हणून तेच पेपर ताणें बरयल्ले तेच मार्क्साचे पेपर तांच्या मुखार दवरपाचे आनी लायव्ह ब्रॉडकास्ट करपाचे आनी ते जर ते टेस्ट पेपर पास जाले जाल्यार आय विल टेक ऑल माय वर्ड्स बॅक कितें अरे अशें जाता की एक कॉन्स्टेबलाचे हाका फेल जाता मनीस आनी सब इन्स्पेक्टराचे हाका 90% मार्क्स पडटा हाव इज इट पॉसिबल 4-5 दिसांनी इतले सगळे परिवर्तन कशें होवंक शकता इज नॉट पॉसिबल नो फिजिकली
I remember one thing, Elvis. This is my last question to you. As you have been a bureaucrat, what happened was, I know what happened between you and Mickey once when he was a minister. So, does today's officers, do they listen to their masters or listen to what is right?
they are totally subjugated by their masters कितें they are not confining themselves to the realm of governance the rules regulations that define their conduct under the conduct rules or the service rules
Yeah.
ते आता डिवायडिंग लाईन सामकी सोंपल्या आता मिनिस्टरच करता सगळें करपाचें आतां आनी तुमी फक्त सह्या पळयता तेचेर दिस इज द चेंज दॅट इज कमिंग
So basically, being a GCS officer, IAS officer, or
काय
being,
ना रे,
being
नाही,
a-
पोय
they,
मरे
are,
आता.
they are not using their brain.
यू वॉन्ट एन एक्झाम्पल
Yeah.
चीफ सेक्रेटरी पयलींचो पयर गेला
Uh,
तितून कितें जालें ताणें आपलेच फायली सगळ्यो तयार केल्यो आपल्या खातीर तयार केल्यो मंत्र्यांनी सायनी मारल्यो सो यू आर ऑल्सो हॅपी ही इज ऑल्सो हॅपी दिस इज अ क्लियर एक्झाम्पल नो बिफोर अस हाव दीस फंक्शनिंग इज चेंज्ड ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम सो अजून कितें आसा मुख्यमंत्र्यान जें पळय कितें घडटा न्हू सरभोंवती ताचो आढावो घेवपाक जाय आनी आतां तरी एक चेंज हाडपाक कितें तरी प्रयत्न करपाक जाय बिकॉज अदरवायज इट इज नॉट वर्किंग एक रेजदर जर एक आख्खे गांवचे कारभार चलयतालो आज 60,000 आनी कितले तरी लोक आसून हें कारभार सारकें चलना लेट्स एडमीट दॅट
uh, you are from a different party, so the ruling is different, but did Pramod Sawant ever call you up for some advice or anything?
He has not called me for any advice, but I have on some occasions gone and met him because of people's work.
Yeah.
Because I know where it gets stuck,
Hmm.
how it can be done. This is what I've taken and I've told him this is the way it has to be done. And some people have got relief. That's all.
There were some talks, either rumors going on that I don't know whether it's true or false, but the thing is when your name came into IAS thing, that you are promoted, did he talk to you at that time?
ना रे कित्याक म्हणून why would I want to go back?
No,
to
but
a
did he
place
talk
where-
to you?
No, there was no occasion for me to talk with him or for him to talk with me.
Because there
All
were
that
the
I'm-
rumors going on that everybody is saying that Pramod Sawant wanted you back in the service, and that is
I
why
don't know. He might have wanted me to be back in the service and all that. Like that, there were occasions for me earlier also. Even when the earlier chief ministers were there, which I have politely said no. I am happy with what I am doing and where I am. I hope better days come. बस it is getting out of hand. ही लँड स्कॅमा पळय जाता एक कोण कोणाचे लँड घेवन वता आनी कोण कन्वर्शन करता आनी कितें चल्लां म्हणजे देर इज नो कंट्रोल आतां सी फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक लास्ट सांगता इफ हेड ऑफ अ डिपार्टमेंट लायक आतां माय गूड फ्रेंड हो आमचो टावन कंट्री प्लॅनिंगाचो ताका एक्सटेंशन दिता म्हणटा न्हू
Rajesh,
या I have no objection per se to what has been done about his extension, but I have objection to the manner in which it is done. Cabinet decision ना, finance departmentचं ताचेर concurrence ना, which are mandatory under the rules. एक मंत्री आपल्या लेवलाचेर ग्रुप ए गॅझेटेड ऑफिसराचे एक्सटेंशन मारून मेकळो जाता आनी मागीर पोस्ट फॅक्टो ते म्हणटा आमी अप्रूव्ह केलें म्हणून अरे हे खंयचे कायदे कितले यू नो so much of application of mind is there in the extension of an officer कितें काय कितें म्हणजे हाजी कितें क्वॉलिटीज हें तें आतां सगळें जर पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शनाचेरच जाता जाल्यार फुडार कितें गो कितें जातलें आय डोंट नो रियली कितें जातलें आय डोंट नो इट इज फॉर द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द कमिंग जनरेशन नाव 18, 25, 25, 35 हे लोक कितें करतले दे हॅव टू ऑल्सो टेक कॉग्नायझन्स ऑफ वॉट आय एम सेइंग तुमी कितें करतले वा
Yes.
now your son or whoever your family members and all what is the future for them with on merit तांचे मेरिटाचेर ताणें कितें करूंक शकता कितल्यो पॉसिबिलिटी हांव सूरज लास्ट सांगता ह्या आमच्या राज्यान अश्यो पॉसिबिलिटीज आसा की पीपल कॅन रियली प्रॉस्पर टुडे एवरी चायल्ड इज एड्युकेटेड एंड एड्युकेटेड वेल तांकां खुबशे सरकाराचें मातशें इंटरवेन्शन आसत जाल्यार द रोड कॅन बी अ गोल्ड पेव्ड रोड फॉर देम इन दीस स्टेट and if I am wrong why there is a surge of people coming into Goa every given day कित्याक म्हणून येता ते
and they are prospering.
and they are prospering so this is something to be thought about
Thank you, Elvis Bab, for giving us your precious time. We wish you all the best
Thank
in
you.
your political
Thank you.
journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.